Our special guest is our king Nebuchadnezzar from Babylon, and three of his amazing, death-defying subjects, Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego. Now, let's hear from the host, Anaga Newton and Precious Ebenezer.
Welcome, O King, and you too, Assistant Alfred.
Thank you for joining us tonight.
My pleasure. What a miraculous story. The fire is... Hold on, King. We'll get to the story soon. But let us first welcome our other guest. Everyone, please give a big hand to...
Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego.
Great to see you. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Wonderful. All 4 of our guests are here. So, my first question is to you, King. How did this whole amazing event even get started? It all started just about 2,750 years ago. I built a large image of gold. It was 90 feet high and about 9 feet wide. Hold on, King. You said 90 feet tall and all made of gold? Did I hear that correct?
Wow, that's Burj Khalifa of your time.
Well, as I said, I built an image of gold. Then I made it a law. Where is my court assistant? Alfred, can you read the law from the scroll, please?
Sure, King. It goes like this, that whenever the people heard the sound of horns, flutes, and harps together, they must bow down and worship the image or else be thrown into the fiery furnace.
What happened next?
Well, sure enough, we heard the sounds of horns, flutes, and harps. But my friends and I refused to bow down to the image.
I know. That's why I had the furnace heated up 7 times hotter. 7 times hotter? You said 7?
Wow, if it was that hot, you couldn't even open the furnace door without being burnt crisp.
Very true. The 7 sons who threw us into the furnace were burnt up and died.
No way. So what happened to the 3 of you?
First we were bound and then thrown into the fire.
But even though the fire was so hot, we knew our God would be with us.
Then I saw an amazing thing. Instead of 3 people in the fire, I saw 4. 4? You said 4?
How could that be when only 3 men were thrown into the fire?
As I mentioned, we were not alone. We knew our God would truly be with us because of our obedience.
What do you mean? Because of your obedience?
Only God is worthy of our praise and worship. It would be wrong to worship anyone or anything else. It was important for us to obey God in this matter and worship Him only, even though we all could have died.
But you didn't die, did you?
Well, no. How else would we be here now? The next thing we heard was the king calling Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego. Servants of Most High God, come out and come here. So we did.
Not a hair on our head was singed. We didn't even smell like smoke after we came out.
It was truly amazing. So I made a new law. Alfred, can you read it out?
Yes, sure. It goes like this. Anyone who speaks against the God of Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego would be killed because there is no other God who can save his people like that.
Well, we are out of time for tonight. I truly want to thank our guests for this amazing story.
So remember, the number 1. It is an important number as we found out tonight. There is only one true God and we must worship only Him.
Good night.
Good night.
Thanks for watching tonight's BAK show. Our next special guest is Ananya